Welcome to Fresa Technologies blogs. We'll be looking at how to generate tax summary report. Open blog.fresatechnologies.com. In search option, enter how to generate tax summary report and search. Select how to generate tax summary report. Here you can see the step-by-step procedure with images. In Fresa application, open accounts module and then select tax reports. Then select tax summary report. Enter the required information here and then click submit. The tax summary report will be generated successfully. If you want to download, you can click the option menu and then select the download option. This is the process. Let's see this in Fresa application. Open accounts module. Select tax reports. Then select tax summary report. Enter the required information and then click submit. So here is the generated tax summary report. If you want to download, select the option menu and then click the download option. Select as per your requirement. This is how to generate tax summary report. Thanks for watching.